Mind-blowing facts about Saturn you didn't know. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Known for its dazzling rings, mysterious moons, and strange hexagonal storms, Saturn is a world that continues to amaze scientists and stargazers alike. But beyond its beauty lies a planet full of secrets, from hurricane-like storms that rage for years to moons that could potentially harbor life. Today, we re-diving into the most fascinating facts about Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system. Let's explore why Saturn is not just beautiful, but one of the most intriguing planets ever discovered. First things first, Saturn is a gas giant, much like Jupiter. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with traces of methane. With a diameter of over 120,000 kilometers, Saturn is nearly 10 times wider than Earth. Despite its massive size, Saturn is also the flattest planet in our solar system. Why? Because it spins incredibly fast, completing one rotation in just 10 hours and 34 minutes. This rapid spin squashes the planet at its poles, giving it that slightly squished shape. It takes Saturn almost 30 Earth years to orbit the Sun. That means if you live there, you'd only celebrate your birthday once every 3 decades. Now, the rings, Saturn's most iconic feature. While all gas giants have rings, none compare to Saturn's. First spotted by Galileo Galilei in 1610, Saturn's rings are made up of billions of ice and rock particles. Some are as small as dust grains, while others are the size of mountains. These rings stretch over 120,000 kilometers from the planet, yet they're shockingly thin, only about 20 meters thick. Imagine a sheet of paper compared to the size of a football field. The rings are divided into 7 main groups: D, C, B, A, F, G, and E. Some of them are kept in place by Saturn's shepherd moons, like Prometheus and Pandora, which act like cosmic traffic controllers for the ring particles. Saturn's atmosphere is a swirling sea of hydrogen and helium, with traces of ammonia and methane giving it those golden bands. Winds here can blow at speeds of up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a fighter jet. And then there's the famous hexagon storm at Saturn's North Pole. Yes, you heard that right. A storm shaped like a 6-sided hexagon. Scientists believe it's a standing wave pattern in Saturn's upper atmosphere. Meanwhile, at the South Pole, there's a massive vortex that looks eerily similar to a hurricane on Earth, except much, much larger. Saturn doesn't just have rings. It has an entire family of moons. As of 2025, Saturn boasts a whopping 274 moons and moonlets, more than any other planet in our solar system. The biggest is Titan, larger than Mercury and shrouded in a thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere. On Titan, rivers and lakes of liquid methane flow across its icy surface, making it one of the most Earth-like places in the solar system, though far too cold for humans. Some scientists even believe Titan could support strange, alien forms of life. Then there's Enceladus, a tiny moon but a big contender for life. It shoots geysers of water vapor into space, hinting at a vast underground ocean beneath its icy crust. Missions like Cassini confirmed this, raising hopes that microbial life could be swimming in its hidden seas. Humans have been fascinated with Saturn for thousands of years, but only 4 spacecraft have ever visited it. Pioneer 11 gave us our first close-up in 1979. Voyager 1 and 2 followed in the 1980s, revealing the planet's stunning complexity. But the crown jewel of Saturn exploration was the Cassini-Huygens mission. From 2004 to 2017, Cassini orbited Saturn, sending back breathtaking images and groundbreaking discoveries. It even deployed the Huygens probe, which parachuted down to Titan, becoming the first landing ever made in the outer solar system. Here are some quick, mind-blowing facts. Saturn is the farthest planet visible to the naked eye. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Assyrians observed it thousands of years ago. They called it Labatsagush, meaning oldest of the old. It's the 5th brightest object in our sky, making it easy to spot with binoculars. Saturn is so light that if you could place it in water, it would float like a giant beach ball, thanks to its extremely low density. Pretty wild for such a giant planet, right? Saturn may be nearly 1.4 billion kilometers away from us, but it's a reminder of how diverse and mysterious our solar system really is. From its stunning rings to its ocean worlds, Saturn continues to challenge what we know about planets and what we dream about discovering next. If you enjoyed this journey to Saturn, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because we've got plenty more space adventures coming your way. Until then, keep looking up because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored.